Kobe driving the forklift, so just stand there. Right, we say hello everybody.
Hello everybody. Yeah, hello,
Hello everybody, we're back with the car. Take the forklift to go and bring it up here, put it into the garage. He's gonna what? Right, stand there, wait there.
I hate flies.
Do you? See that?
Spiky.
Oh, Stacey, what's he doing? Deceiving them.
Yes.
Right, what we're gonna do right now.
Forklift.
We're gonna walk down He's going down that way, we're gonna walk down that way. We're meeting donuts. So, are you going that way, ain't you? There we go. What are you scared for? There we go, there is the Beamer. And we will see Darren and Kobe come around the corner in a minute. Right, just stand on there then. I don't know. Something in my eye, it really hurt. You're going to have to come up the way with the Beamer because Darren's picking it up and he is bringing it up the top. Okay? Here he comes. Right. Come over here. Come over here. Okay? Just stand there. He's going to get the, he will get the thingy. Alright?
No.
We'd have if I was actually recording it, wouldn't we?
Yeah.
Alright. Anyway. I just hope it's like that. I'm going to come around here. See, Kobe's driving it. Can you see that? We're going to pick it up and then we'll walk up to the place. We'll walk up there. See? Oh, there's a doggy. Is that your favourite doggy? Pip. Is your name Pip? Yeah? There you go. See, the car's bouncing. Oh no, look at that. How super cool is that? And then they're going to take it all the way up the top. We're going to go up that way? Or we're going back up that way? We're going to go up that way? I think he's trying to Kobe driving. We're going to get squashed. There we go. Let's follow the map. Do you want to go Archie? Go on then. Alright, you gonna walk up there, Kobe? later on skyline. I say moving that up and down. Like, you okay, Kobe? Okay? Oh, you alright? My eye, so I don't know what's happened to my eye. It's very painful. That's really bumpy. Baby, wait there a minute, darling. Wait there. Stay there. That's it. Just be careful. We're not letting us the climb right there. Be careful, Kobe, darling. Wait there, don't just wait there until they reverse it in, okay, sweetheart? Wait there, Kobe, darling. Kobe, wait there. Kobe. Come on.
Last year.
Got to finish taking everything out.
First take all this out. So we can get this ready to cut the floor out.
Yeah. Planning to do that.
Take those bits out on the side.
Yep.
Ready for them to get the cage.
Power back.
And then let's go to the wait for the cage and then.
Yeah, no, I was just saying that obviously we need to sit down and work out everything that we needed. So we needed the cage.
And we need to still doing this crash bar
Yep.
and at the back.
Then just to cut it all down and
We decide, do I cut it there
yeah.
or do I cut the bottom out with this top?
Ow!
You two be nice.
So I won't know what I'll do with that until I've got the reporters see when he's set.
No, I understand that. Hey. There you go, you're gonna have a look in. There you go. You boys both going in? You going in? Are you throwing that out, are you? Let's do it neatly because you've got to save those bits, haven't you?
I'm getting all the swords on here.
Yeah, I hear you.
There's someone's in here. That's why I'm helping my dad.
Oh, I know. You're amazing. There you go. I showed you this. Well, it's part of the premiere. So what are you doing now?
Taking these out so I can get the seat belts, take them out. We've got to take the roof liner out, everything.
Everything, and then we're turning this into a drift car.
Certainly
Then
are.
we can go drifting again.
Absolutely.
Dad, maybe next time I won't need your help. I can just like drive.
I need the big start drive, Kobe. No, the blue, Kobe, the blue handle one behind you. I need the big one. That's it.
Welcome. Thanks for telling me. And
Come on, push it on. That's it.
ow, and yay.
Ow and yay.
Yeah, because I did it. And ow, the ow. 2 hours because first I hit my leg on this and now you just hit me in the head. No, like with the saw bit into my head.
I should have bought the other tool set, I think.
How's that?
You have I think you
I've just cleaned my lens.
I think you need the
Need a set.
7. Dad, I'm just gonna wait for you, okay?
Are you looking forward to getting behind the wheel and drifting again?
Yeah, but I won't need my dad's help because
You won't need your dad's help this time.
Yeah.
You're gonna be super cool, aren't you?
Yeah. But I can probably stretch my leg and stretch my neck so I can see while going through the window.
Absolutely. I'm sure you'll do an amazing job at drifting. You're gonna teach me how to drift.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, cool.
But you gotta sit down.
I've got to sit there. Yeah, that's fine. You can be my instructor. Yeah.
Dad, can I tell you something? When I'm older, I won't need your help when I'm older. Okay?
No, he got the wrong size, didn't he?
You got the wrong size.
He got the wrong
You need
size.
that big. That big.
I know. He'll get the right size. We are
Look. Claire, look.
Oh wow. You're super cool. You're super clever, aren't you? Oops, Daisy.
Oh my god.
That's the no, don't do it. That's the hole. The Darren was on about in the
Dad!
floor.
I found the hole.
Yeah, he spotted that last week. But anyway, he got to repair that. The hole.
You can have it. You can have this.
Oh. Just
Okay. I found the hole. Wait. Guess what?
What?
Remember last week? I hammered that. I pushed that down.
He's in the car.
Alright.
Yeah, he's just chilling, you know, Arch. Beautiful, hey, look at that. Can't wait to see the finished result of this. As we have said, we are going to give you the options to help pick the colours. We've picked the colours. We know what we want. So the design's going to be, maybe, well, will be down to you. Wait. One moment. There you go.
Older, I won't need your help
Of what?
driving when I'm older.
I should hope not. I should hope you'd be a very good driver.
Dad, only need to take off this. I think I can rip that. Dad. Ow!
I think that.
No, the sopping hit me. Ow, like that. I'm just gonna pop that right there. I'm gonna pop it right there so you know that. Best. Do you need help?
What, you removing?
Seatbelt.
So what are you trying to take out?
That.
Get the cast iron out so I can get to the bolt and take the seatbelt out.
Dad, I can just stab it.
No, because you'll stab me.
No. Oh, like be right
Toby,
here.
no. Toby.
He's just not selfish, Daddy.
Dad, can I stab it? You can watch out.
Toby.
I'm gonna stab it really hard.
No.
You should be able to just pull it, surely.
Can I stab it?
There's a screw in there, you got to undo there. A bolt.
Right. I'm not going to stab it, Toby.
You see that black thing?
Yeah.
Is
No,
that...
Get it into it.
There we go.
Toby. Stop.
I'm gonna help.
Eager to help you.
I'm trying to help you.
You are trying to help, but Dad's trying to undo something at the minute.
I'm having this then.
Are you? What is
I
it?
have pockets.
You got no pockets.
Okay, hold it.
I'll put it in my pocket there.
Look,
Oh,
I'll do that when I'm older. I think this blue one's stronger and easier to stab through.
yeah, it should come out easy once that's...
Toby.
There we go.
My goodness. Dad, can I
Get it
stop that?
No.
Why?
Just
Dad, can I pull it?
do that like that. Undo it. Other way, other way. Right, should be, right, stop.
Don't do that. That's really long. I think you need a ring.
No.
I really want to start the polishing. It's not the right size, Dad.
Yeah, it will be. Your daddy used it.
Yeah.
Amazing. Look at that. There you go. Amazing. Yeah, I nearly done it.
Dad, I'm doing it. Okay.
Okay. Has you got it off yet?
See that? Dad, I did a good job. I did it though.
Yeah.
Are you proud of me?
Yeah.
Can I do it? That?
Right, put it
It's a big mess at the minute.
towards me.
Big mess.
I'll put it. Don't hurt yourself. There you go. Right, you better do it with your hands now. Just, there you go. Now it's just a case now of figuring out how the back bits off and then just headline it down.
Are you ripping that out there?
Only as nice to do that. Only as nice I can cut.
Oh, right, okay. Well, what about them up there?
Yeah, I've got to figure out how to take them out.
Oh, you got to figure out.
Yeah.
What about the back seat belt?
Yeah, they're coming out.
Well, yeah. Maybe it's something underneath.
See that? Told you I can do it.
Oh my god, so there you go.
Dad,
The two front seat belts are now out, and need a knife to remove that bit, and then we're going to figure out how to remove them.
I'm a good son.
Yes, Kobe.
And then we will that will be all stripped. Keeping the dash, didn't you?
Yeah, we already had made the whole bigger, ain't you? Well done.
Keep the dash.
Yeah. You made more work for me.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
I'm helping with the 12 stage. That's why I want to help do the whole thing. We both did it.
Should run that sideways. So what's Kobe doing?
Put the bolt back in for where the seatbelt was. So some harnesses go on the harness bar, some bolt into where the seatbelts were.
Let's get it
Which
hard.
you need the bolt to hold them in.
It's done.
That's it, good boy. Alright. So,
Oh, this
black one. Yeah. Put it inside.
This way?
Yeah. That's it, and now turn it towards the door. That's it, now turn it the other way. And then carry on. That's it.
Dad, I'm doing a good job.
You are.
I'm doing that on my own.
Yeah. You do jobs that Daddy can't be asked with.
Yeah. I got that attitude.
It's
I'm
12
not
states, so I'm
bothered.
doing all the work for you, Dad.
Oh, thank you.
One of those days,
You
though.
can have a nice relaxing break.
So I'll figure out how to go apart. Yeah. And then Give up. Pull it. That's it. That's it.
Nicely done.
Good boy. No, 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 no.
I'm gonna finish screwing
Stop
that in.
getting carried away.
Now look. It's not going in. That is not going in.
Oh, serious bit.
Okay, now it's in. That's weird.
Well, it's not going in, mate. Don't force it.
I'm trying my best. Right here. It stopped!
I can't see you. So, what's that? Let's get a food over.
Now look! I got it in! I got the whole thing all the way in!
Okay.
Are you proud of me?
Yeah. That's not fit.
Are you taking this roof off?
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah, I'm gonna use this for a minute.
Oh, sugar plums. Like that.
Dad, I need the screwdriver, please.
Oh, just wait a minute, mate. I've got to take. What did you get screwdriver for?
This.
No, it stays there, mate. It's electric. You don't take the electrics off.
I know, but I need help
I
taking
don't
this
know.
apart.
What that's recording.
You don't
It's
take
the-
it.
And then I. Yeah.
Yeah, just put it out.
I think I can take that off. Dad. I can get this bit off.
No, just.
Careful,
I
baby.
can rip this off.
Yeah, you're doing it weird. Oh my god. There you go. He knows how to do it.
Dad, look!
You did.
I ripped it! Dad, look! Dad!
You'll have to unscrew all these, haven't you?
Dad!
Yeah.
I did that by myself.
Toby,
Oh.
stand and all up, please.
No, I fell on all that.
Don't know what didn't record just then, but oh shoot.
Toby, stop. Just.
Dad, I love working on the car. This time, Dad,
Toby, stop. Just stop and everything.
Dad, I can get that. I can unscrew that with this.
No, it's too big.
I just
It's too
remove
big.
anything
Can I
to
use this?
remove the ceiling.
How do I tell you? Dad, can I do it? Dad, can I do the rest? Dad, did you see that? I did it by myself.
Wait, no.
I had to get it.
Other way, other way. That's it.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it, Dad.
Yeah, you want to push it up on at the same time, mate. Come on, turn.
It's really difficult with your hand there.
Well, I'll take my hand on you, mate. The screwdriver's going to fall.
Then I'll pull it out. I'm gonna hold it so it doesn't drop.
Yeah, well, stop pulling it. You make it tighter. Toby? Toby?
Look at that.
Wait.
There we go.
Dad, am I doing a good job?
You're doing an amazing job, Kobe.
I think I can rip that.
Kobe, stop.
Trying to get that.
No, just stop.
Dad, I'm really doing a good job here.
You are doing a good job, Kobe.
Thanks, Claire. I love you, Claire.
I love you too, Kobe.
Claire,
Yes, sweetheart.
thanks the bastard. You're doing it. I want to
It's a flat one.
What's the flat one? This?
Yes.
Oh,
Then can
There
I
we
pull
go.
it?
ooh. There you go, ripping the car apart again. So got come off.
I need one.
You're in the way, Kobe.
Am I out of the way now? You're the best. I'm just gonna check on our seat.
Ow. Come off, does it?
If we don't stop shouting at Archie, it's like,
Is he shouting out?
Kobe! Enough! Oh, I want to come and shout in your fucking face. Sorry.
Alright, it
Shut up, my
it out.
Now you do the job.
Alright, it. Oh!
Oh, it's got screws.
Dad,
Right.
I love you.
No,
I wonder if I can take this off.
no,
No, when you take this off.
no.
Why?
Just wait.
I am.
Oh, is it
When
bloody
you finish
screwed in
doing
as
that-
well? Christ. Everything's nut and bolted, isn't it?
Fucking German over engineering. BMW shit.
Yeah.
I'll get these in car. Why fucking get into this shit.
Daddy. Dad,
Yes, Kobe.
I love you.
I love you too.
Yeah.
I have that.
Get it off.
Oh. God.
least do it this way. I ain't got to be careful for it, so it's not going back in.
What's being put at the top?
Huh?
What's being put up here in replacement?
Nothing.
It's just going to be left blank.
Yeah.
Blank?
The case sits right up.
Oh yeah, the case, yeah.
Dad,
Yes.
can you please do this soon? That is banned on the car?
Oh.
No, this looks like a phone. Dad, I think this looks like a phone case. I got stuck in my suit. OMG, Dad.
That's the roof removed.
Careful if you hit me, I will scream to death. Ow. And there's going to be under here.
I need a bit flat screwdriver. Let's go.
Is it off? Does it need pulling out?
Oh.
Oh, you forgot a bit. Oh, crap.
Sorry.
It's me, I've got it.
I just put the thing out.
Big flat screwdriver.
Need a bigger, flatter screwdriver? Dad,
Yes, Kirby.
am I a good helper for this?
You're
Like,
an
I'm
incredible
still-
helper, Kobe.
Oh, it's not fun.
What's that, Dad?
It just fell on you.
Dad?
What's it stuck on? See you now.
That's like very comfy.
What's it feel like? They're just catching some rays there.
It's soft. If I was stuck on this, I couldn't move.
Yeah, it's about the right size for you, isn't it?
What size?
What's these?
That's a side airbags.
Oh. Okay, I'll do that. Ow, fucking thing cut me. That was sharp. You finally got that off. Did you find out what it was? So I couldn't rip it off. I didn't know whether it was sank. No. Oh, see, I just tried to pull that off. I took some of it off. I got boo-boo. Oh, it's one of those days today, ain't it?
That I can't get to with the done. I was going to cut one. What's that?
Babes. It's just me. What do you want to tell the camera? What do you want to tell everyone that's watching us?
So, we're taking part of the car and I'm doing this.
You are doing that. What are we making it into?
A drift car.
And are you going to drive the drift car?
When I'm older.
When you're older?
When I'm still this age, I can just drive wherever I want to go.
Absolutely. And what car do you really, really want?
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini. They are beautiful cars, aren't they? What colour?
Aparicio.
Oh.
A rainbow car.
A rainbow car, yeah.
And I'm trying to take off that. Like,
Amazing. Oh, I wouldn't. No, don't. Cause do the airbag, darling. Don't touch.
that's the airbag?
Yeah, it says airbag on it. Don't touch anything like that. Okay, we won't touch anything your dad doesn't want us to touch. No, don't do that. Because we'll get in trouble, won't we?
My dad said I can touch this.
Oh, he's keeping all the dash on. I know the steering wheel's going to come off, I think. Is that steering wheel coming off?
Yeah.
Yeah, steering wheel is. But we're keeping the dash.
You?
Do you need to get in here?
Oh, well, no. Can't find it. I need a knife. I can't find a knife. Got the airbag out.
Menu. Yeah, it's been one of those days today. Just cannot be bothered.
Kobe, do not
No, don't do that.
Kobe?
We're going to pick all that up and put it back in the skip. Yeah.
Can you move those? I want to see if I can jump over this.
No, I wouldn't, because you might land on what's there and it's going to hurt. Ooh! Oh, thank you, darling. That was a lovely huggy jump. Hey, you're a good boy, aren't you? You're a sweet boy. I've got the camera, don't we?
And I want to jump.
Yay, I caught you. There
My
we
dad
go.
normally picks me up and throw me.
I'm not going to pick you up and throw you. Oops, daisies. Oops, daisies. Careful, darling. Right, you like your dad? Careful, sweetheart.
Nice one.
Go take that down to the skip. The Skippy Whippy. Oh yeah, there's a Skippy Whippy. And there you have it. We've been really, really like meh today. Took the kids swimming. But it's just been one of those days where we really just haven't been to do anything. We did come up here to do a little bit just so that we had some content for you guys to watch at the weekend. Next weekend we're at the BHP in Exeter, so we're going to have some footage of the drifting and the cars and all that to put up for you. But yeah, this is so far. The car inside just looks a big mess. Definitely done a lot of work.
I love that car.
You're going to get in there.
Plus,
Yes, darling. Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Mwah. You okay? Alright.
yeah.
Just bring up mine. Oh. Just clearing up. I'm going away. Just gonna have coffee. So I'm gagging for coffee. Oh, actually, we're not going to go home. Got to do a stop fest. Then I go home. But, so yeah, that's just a little bit of content. You get to put that back on, don't you? On the back. They don't fall off. He loves playing in mud. Archie's quite literally just been sat in the car the whole time. Oh, here we go. So, please like, share, subscribe. Just follow our journey. You know, we're just starting out on this channel. Oh no, wait. See your dad. Wait for your dad to be out the way, okay? Yeah, you're going to put that in the skip? Don't get in the way, Daddy. So there you have it. He's just going to take that back down to the bottom. And then I bring it back up. I'm not really going to... don't really see it go around the corner. Whee! So yeah, as I was saying, we just done a small video today. Just a small video. To give you something to watch. I'll just show you the progress. We finished practically stripping everything down now. We are going to sit down later and we're just going to work out everything that we need now to put into the car, and also for the skyline. We will take you down to the skyline and you'll be able to see the progress on that. Hold on. Good boy. Just be careful because your dad will come up, okay?
Ask my dad if I can.
Okay, you go down there then, but you be very careful. Pay attention. Just look at yourself, a beautiful car. It's his Mercedes. But anyway, I've lost where I was. But yeah, we are a small channel. Just starting out. As you can probably see, we are building a skyline. And we are building a BMW E46 and a Skyline R34. The Skyline is going to be a drift, obviously a drift, a show and comp car, and the BMW Coupe E46, the one that we're showing you at the minute documenting, that's going to be just a play around. We will sit down later on tonight and we're going to just work out everything else that we need, figures, and then we'll start getting everything to re-put the car back together into a drift. And also to get the Skyline finished. Our aim for that is to have it done by next year, as Darren wants to do competitions. So I'm going to do the BMW first so they can just get back out and get the feel of it all again, because obviously he gave it up for a little while, and just get himself ready. But yeah, I cannot wait until he's back. What he loves doing, we'll be able to document it all. But like I say, we're going to BHP next weekend, so we will be recording, taking pics and everything of the show there, so that'd be really cool. I'm really excited about doing that. But please like, subscribe, support this family build of the R34 and the E46, and we'll just keep giving them the updates, etc. Like, support, share, subscribe. I'm getting all mixed up. Subscribe, like, share our YouTube channel, Defiant Drift Circuit. And we have actually started designing our logo, and I've designed the logo. We're getting our first merch actually being made for us as well, so that should be cool. Which can't wait to share all that with you guys as well. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and I'm off now. Until next time, take care. Bye.